Welcome to Capital Mamoy. Yan na.
Ooh, there you are, Hazel. There you are. There you are. Ooh, peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
What do you want? You want this, oh? The Oreo you want? What do you want? Overload, ano? You like this, oh? Like that, okay? Like this? You want? Oh. You want Yoki? Ate, magkano yan? 130. Isa nga, ate. Ooh, that's nice. Oreo overload. So yummy. What do you think of it? Yoki? Yoki, you get that. You want to eat? Let's go to some other place. Come on. Oh, you want to eat that one? Yeah. You want? So yummy. Check it out. Let's taste it. Hold this one. Hold it in the middle. Yummy. So yummy. So yummy. You lick it out. Can I? Nick, here. Just hold my hand. Bilang naman yung isang day. Check it out. Shawarma. Shawarma. Yoki, sit down at the side. Small French fries. Flavor po cheese barbecue.
Barbecue. Let's go there at the garden. Let's go. Oh, let's go to the garden. Oh, so yummy. Christmas. Coming soon.
Let's go buy some drinks.
What?
Let's go buy some drinks.
Okay. Yoki, what do you want? What do you want? The watermelon? Watermelon?
Yeah.
Ate, magkano watermelon?
80 ma'am sa 105.
80.
Anong size ma'am?
22. Oh, sarap po.
I got some eating. Pinatito this.
What?
Bibigyan kita.
Oh, thank you. This is so good. We are at the back of this night market or the night food trip at the Capital Commons. Ooh.
Eat.
What?
Nothing.
What did you eat? You like French fries. Ooh, and the Oreo. So yummy?
Yeah. The food. Why? Mama, can you buy me some honeycomb candy?
Why you want honeycomb candy? It's only a sugar.
Because I want it.
Why you want it?
Because I cannot taste it anymore.
But it was so expensive.
I want to taste it now.
You want to taste it? So yummy. You saw a big dog there, the German Shepherd. It was so cool, right? Yeah. And then that was so yummy. Look at the dog at the back. Look at the back of you. There's a German Shepherd dog. It's so big. It's so cute, isn't it? Oh, just like a wolf, no? But it isn't, no? It's only a dog. Wow. Look at the dog, Yuki. Ew. Oh, holy moly.
Holy moly! What rules?
That's not that word. Oh. Look at the dog in your back. So cute.
Oh,
But this is the most cutest that I ever seen in front of me. You know that? Yoki, you're the most cutest that Mama saw.
we have a big dog, right?
Yes, in your back. It's cute, but you're the most cutest.
We have a big dog in our house in the Mandalay.
Oh,
Right?
yeah.
When I stand over here, you see it?
No, I can see it.
Look at it.
Yeah, I saw it. Why?
When I go here, I'm so much taller.
You're so much taller.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Do you think you're taller now?
Yeah.
When you like that? Because you're just tiptoeing. I think so. Oh, I told you, you're tiptoeing. So that's why you make taller.
Now I like this. I
Mm.
step in that black one.
Which one?
Like this.
Oh, that's why you're cheating.
And like this.
Oh, you're tiptoeing again. You're just raising your body so that you can make
Look
taller.
at my feet.
Oh, can I check your feet? Oh, see, I told you. You're just cheating.
Yeah.
Oh, you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Tayo. Tayo. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry po. Sorry? You see how it makes it to this one, the Dalgona challenge box. Ooh, look at what Kuya made. He's melting this before. Ooh, you saw it? You want some what? You want this one? You want?
Thank you for watching, guys.